Today I'm going to show you how I make acrylic tiles 1 inch by 1 inch. I do have another video where I actually printed them with my resin printer. I have the link for that up above. Go very slow with your table saw or however you cut it. And most of the time it does a pretty clean cut. I'll be showing you a plastic cutter later that might work also. This is pretty close to where I wanted it to be. 25.4 millimeters is 1 inch. Very close. So I looked at both sides and I seen a little divot or cutout. So as you can see it there, I marked this off so that way I don't use it as one of my buttons. But I found this cool little plastic cutter at Lowe's and I thought I would give it a shot. It's kind of made for cutting long strips of plastic. You keep on going, like you put a straight edge and you would keep on going down the line until you could snap it. But you do the same thing this way. So I had a 1 inch by 1 inch resin tile already made, so that's what I was using as my marking tool. I marked it with the Sharpie before I cut. Just be careful when you do this because it's very easy for your blade to move, especially in the beginning. Go deep enough and then when you're ready, snap. You're probably going to break a few of them, but practice makes perfect. I did use a file at the beginning until I got smart and I'm like, the heck with this, I will use my pencil sander. Came out pretty good. Here I am clean it off and make it all shiny so I could show the camera. And there it is. Not too shabby. What do you think? So for the cockpit part, I cut out the EVA foam and I basically just push the acrylic tiles into it. No glue. That way if I ever had to mess with the LED, I'd have access. For the center console, I hot glued them. They look good, right? And I'll see you next time at the Writer's Wiki Workshop.